Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech guide. In this video, I'll show you how to easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails and stop spam from filling up your inbox. Let's get started. Log into your Gmail account. Click on the More drop-down and click on Manage Subscription. Here, you'll see a list of all the email senders or companies that have been sending you messages. Go through the list, and for any sender you're not interested in, simply click Unsubscribe. You can click on Block immediately or proceed to their website to turn off specific mail types you aren't interested in. Click on Update Preferences when you are done. Now preferences have been updated successfully. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from all those unwanted emails. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.